Do you want to create an AI avatar just like me for your Faceless YouTube channel? To stand out, look professional, and grow way faster? If you said yes, don't scroll up. Stick around because I'm about to teach you exactly how I created myself as an AI talking avatar, and how you can do the same in just a minute. No camera, no studio, and absolutely no face reveal needed. This is your shortcut to launching a faceless YouTube channel and getting monetized fast.
Step 1. I started with ChatGPT to help me visualize my AI avatar. I gave it a detailed description, gender, outfit, style, expression, and it generated the perfect image prompt. Then I went to Leonardo AI, pasted that prompt in, and it generated my digital twin in seconds. I made sure the avatar was centered, facing the camera, well lit, and cropped in a square frame for maximum clarity. Once the headshot looked right, I expanded it to 16 by 9 for YouTube framing, and boom, I had the foundation for my whole channel. Step 2. I uploaded that image into Design AI, and this is where it really came to life. I started creating different versions of my avatar in multiple scenes, each one adding personality and variety to my content. First, I placed him sitting in front of a gaming setup, monitors glowing like a full-on Twitch streamer. Then I made a cozy scene, sitting in a living room, sipping Starbucks coffee like a casual lifestyle vlogger. And finally, I had him seated in his gaming chair, with a light blue background and my iTilder logo behind him for that clean, branded YouTube look. The best part? The avatar stays visually consistent in every version. Same face, same vibe, just different moods and settings. You can even prompt side angles or standing poses, and it all feels like the same character across your videos. Then it's time to animate. Inside Design AI, go to the AI Video tab, pick your model, and type something like talking and gesturing with hands. I kept mine around 10 seconds, clicked Generate. And just like that, my avatar was moving. If the gestures look off, just tweak the animation slider to 0.5 for smoother movements. Now for the voice. Design AI has a built-in lip sync tool, so I didn't need to use any other software. You can upload your own audio or type in a script and choose a voice. I used the text-to-speech option, picked a voice with a calm but energetic tone, and hit Generate.
And that's how I created
The mouth
my AI
movements
twin.
matched perfectly,
The same one
and the
you're
delivery
watching now.
felt super natural.
If you want to try this
Finally,
yourself,
I edited everything inside CapCut. I arranged my animated scenes, added transitions, and used the Enhance Video tool to upscale to HD.
if you
It
said
made a
yes, don't
huge
scroll
difference
up.
in sharpness.
Stick around because I'm
In
about
just
to
a
teach
few
you
minutes,
exactly how
I had a
created myself
polished,
as an AI
animated
talking
video
avatar,
with a talking
and how
AI
you can do the
avatar,
same in just a minute.
all built from one image, zero camera work, and no face reveal.
And that's how I created my AI twin, the same one you're watching now. If you want to try this yourself and start building your own AI talking avatar today, I dropped the exact tools I used down in the description. Go check them out and start creating. No face, no problem. See you in the next video.
Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more exciting updates.